Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we'll learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweater, gents half sweater, full sweater and cap. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. So this pattern is 4 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 5 plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 5 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 17 stitches on my needle, 15 stitches, multiple of 5, 3 times multiple of 5 is equal to 15 plus 2 edge stitches, 17. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2, 1, 2. That's a repeat, purl 3, knit 2. This is 5 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 5. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Now second time, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2, 1, 2. One more time, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2, 1, 2. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. First row is completed now. This is second row and wrong side row. Second row, wrong side row. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat. Purl 2, knit 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Purl edge from wrong side. Second row is completed now. This is third row and right side row. Third row, right side row. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat. Knit 2, purl 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have now? Second time knit 2, 1, 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed now. This is fourth row and wrong side row. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. In this round it has knit and purl as purl. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 2, 1, 2. That's a repeat. Knit 3, purl 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much to have? Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 2, 1, 2. Again knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 2, 1, 2. Purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of, and if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.